Commercial real estate refers to property used for business purposes. Let's break down what defines this asset class and how it functions. Unlike a home you live in, these properties are specifically designed to generate income through rent or business operations. There are 5 main categories, including office spaces, retail storefronts, industrial warehouses, multifamily housing, and specialized hotel or storage units. Investors look for steady cash flow. Leases here are often much longer than standard residential rental agreements, providing more predictable income. The main difference is the tenant. Residential is for living, while commercial is for commerce, which changes the risk and legal structure. Commercial leases often span several years, which creates a different cash flow profile compared to the annual turnover of a typical apartment. Remember that the value of these properties is tied closely to the success and stability of the underlying business tenants. Understanding these basics helps you evaluate the broader market. Please consult a professional advisor for your own investment decisions.